All right, well, this is our tacking machine. The Tack's actually cushions. This is a dog cushion. As you can see, it's quite thick. This particular machine actually, the head splits and able to get a very high lift. So as I press on my right pedal, as you can see, the head splits and gives me approximately about 4 inches height from the plate to the height of the clamp. That enables me to actually get a cushion as such under there with ease. I will drop the actual clamp, comes down, and as you can see, it compresses the cushion nice and neatly, and it'll sew. Pattern at the moment, it's going to do a circle. I'll take the work out. You can see it's done a circle. It's very sturdy. Tack's not as good. This actually keeps it nice and strong, and we can change the diameter so we can increase the size of this if you wish, bigger or smaller, just by the actual interface of the machine. And doesn't matter how thick the cushion is, it compresses it and it sews a beautiful tack to any position you wish.